This video will show you how we unfold all the parts in a step assembly. You can unfold parts from a single part or for a complete assembly and create unfolded DXF files. After unfolding, you're going to see a summary which lets you know which parts have been successfully unfolded and which parts have been detected as errors and have been skipped. To unfold the part in the workshop, you can automatically create a view of the part in 4 views with automatic dimensioning. You can also adapt the parts so that they fit to the production tools available for you. In this example, we convert a big radius into lots of small bends so that we can bend it on our press brake with the available tooling. The adapted part can now be unfolded using our press brake tools as normal. The unfolding also contains information about the fold bending angle, the radius, and the tool being used. If you have questions about our PROfirst 3D Unfold step or any of our other software solutions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We look forward to hearing from you.